Mileage discrepancies can occur for many reasons on MotorCheck, and frequently we find them appearing when somebody has recorded a mileage reading for a vehicle and done it in error, or they've added in the decimal point in the wrong place, or they've clearly made a mistake with the registration number. Thankfully, this is very simple for us to fix. Our support team are expert in looking at mileage readings that have been added by mistake, and usually can sort it out in a matter of minutes. So this short video is going to show you how to fix a mileage discrepancy using our mileage investigations button. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate to a report that has a mileage discrepancy. And here you'll see in this example that we have a reading from the trade, it's signaled NAC here, for 591,213 miles. And it's causing a discrepancy because the next reading that's appearing only has 70,706 miles on it. The graph on the left-hand side really shows the issue, and you can see that while the mileage was building normally, we have a huge spike just before 2014 for the 591,000 miles. So to fix this, we scroll up to the top of the mileage section and click the little magnifying glass to start a mileage investigation. And once you've clicked the button for new investigation, you'll be given the opportunity to type in the V5C. If you don't have it, TBC is fine. And then we scroll down the mileage readings to find the one that's causing us the problem. So the tick box for 591,000 we've selected. Just add a quick note to the support team. In this case, I'm typing, please investigate this reading, and start the mileage investigation. You'll see that if you come back to the report, we have a mileage investigation that's pending and underway, and we have a little note that the user has requested an investigation on this reading and added the note to please investigate. After that, it really is only a couple of minutes while the MotorCheck support team jump into it. And once fixed, you'll see the note that the report has changed from pending to closed. And if you come back out and refresh the check, you'll see that the mileage discrepancy has changed from yes to no. The one that had the issue, the one with the 591,000 miles, you can see has been removed. And now the vehicle is showing a very clean mileage history. So that's how you fix a mileage investigation on MotorCheck. Thanks for watching.